My daughter was having trouble figuring out how to solve the problems on a math worksheet. She was getting upset and I wanted to just jump in and tell her what to do. But I thought to myself, isn't it good that she fails? I mean, our goal is to excel, right? Grow and achieve beyond what we think we can do. And a part of that journey will be failure. So instead of tearing down barriers to help our kids succeed, let's leave those barriers up and offer just enough support so they keep trying. Give them the smallest boost possible so they can eventually get up over that barrier. And sometimes, no matter how much of a boost we give them, there will be some barriers that they just won't be able to get over. They're going to fail over and over again. But we can be there to support their feelings and offer encouragement. Like, yeah, you can't do this right now and failing really hurts, but if you keep trying, you'll eventually get there. And if you've got barriers that you need some help getting over, join me and my wife along with other dedicated caregivers as we continue to grow into the parents that we want to be. Go to happyhumanlife.org to learn more.